Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? We are back in our journey to learn modern Python for AI. We have learned in the past lessons about comparison operators that let us build our logic and automate our processes and let us program what we want to automate in our daily life with Python. Now we will equip ourselves with another advanced tool that can make our life much easier by building complex logics through it. We are going to learn about not, or, and AND operators. But in this lesson, we will just go through with the AND operator. So what is AND operator? AND is an operator in Python which lets you execute a function or a statement or anything only if both of the conditions that you are giving it are true. Only then the program will execute. So for example, I want to execute this statement that I have won the 100-meter race. But in order to win the race, I want myself to satisfy two conditions. I am healthy and am fast. So if I am healthy is true and am fast is also true, you will see that I will be able to win this race. But in the case any of these becomes false, I will not be able to win the race. So this is the AND operator, which lets you execute a program only when all of the conditions you are giving the program are true. Only then the program will continue. You can add as much as conditions in this program using AND. For example, I am healthy, I am fast, I finished the line first, I am exhaust. As you wish, you can add conditions using AND operator. And when all of these conditions are true, only then will Python execute the program you are trying to execute. So thank you very much. In the next lesson, we will learn about the next logical operator, which is OR. Thank you.